Here's the baby earning her keep. Come on, baby, sweep the edges. Not on the carpet, though. Just sweep the floor. Oh, you're not doing it right. Goodness. Here you go. All the edges, remember. Good girl. That's right. Under the piano. That's my baby. What's the matter? Getting tired? Come on. Sweep it up. Sweep it up. Get all those little bits of stuff. Bits of goldfish and all of that. Good girl. By the front door too. By the front door, I said. Okay. Ew, no. No, not that end. Ah!